All right, let's get real here. I want you to think about everything that you've done that has led you to where you are today as an entrepreneur. If you're a business owner, you're an expert, you're an entrepreneur, you're a coach, consultant, whatever you are, you took the step, you took all of the risks, and you started that business. You've accumulated a wealth of knowledge that you then synthesize and bring to your clients to give them a transformation. It is an enormous amount of work, and you did it. And sometimes we forget about all of the work that we've done to get us to where we are today. I want to invite you to take a moment and just think back and remember all of the things that you've done to build to where you are today. And it doesn't matter if you've been doing this for 7 days or you've been doing it for 27 years. It doesn't matter. You took the time to get it done, and here you are. So respect that and honor that and give people the transformation that they're seeking. The truth is, the people that you can help are out there right now looking for you. And all you have to do is have them see what you have to offer. All you have to do is be present with them and be visible with them so that they can see the transformation that awaits. They're there. Those people are there. Your perfect, high-paying clients are waiting for you. You have to get out there, and you have to remember all the work that you've done to get you to where you are today. And it's amazing, this place that we're in right now. And I want you to think about that today and every day. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty, and for the last 21 years, I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs and experts just like you wildly grow their businesses by teaching them how to attract their perfect high-paying clients, but not in a way that you might think. If you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create a video like this. My clients come to me because they have a product or service that they want to share with the world. They have largely felt overwhelmed by what to do on social media to attract clients to them. So we fix that with simple step-by-step plans. And I'm going to be talking with you about that today because I got a question sent to me through one of my direct message channels just this morning, where someone asked me, how can I simplify what I do on social media? We had a quick exchange, and they expressed to me that they were feeling overwhelmed with all of the things that they thought they had to do on social media. So I shared with them a very simple 2-step strategy that when I first brought it to my clients and to my mentees, no one thought it would work. And it turns out it's worked better than just about anything else. And I'm going to share that 2-step methodology with you today. But before I get to that, if you are serious about growing your business, I'm offering a free workshop. And if you go to proutyclass.com, which is this link right here, if you go there, you can register for my free workshop. You come on in, we spend about an hour together, and I'm going to teach you a whole bunch of really cool stuff that's going to help you, even before the workshop is over, start attracting more clients to you and to your business. So just go to proutyclass.com and sign up for that. So let's talk about this very simple 2-step process that you can start using to attract clients to you. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're an expert, if you've been doing something a while, and even if you've only had, say, 1 client, you can use this process. And this process is 2 steps. The first step, and by the way, even before I tell you this, it's going to sound so incredibly simple that you're going to go, I can't even believe this works. But it works better than anything I've ever discovered. So the first step is to always be creating content that is educating your audience well in advance of there ever being a sales conversation. Every time you show up online, you should be showing up and leading with education. You're an expert, you're an authority, and you want to build trust with your market. The fastest and easiest way to do that is to start teaching your market in advance of a sales conversation. I could throw out a bunch of numbers at you that would help justify the research and the science that goes into this. I'll share a few. The first is about 71% of consumers seek to be educated before they make a buying decision. The next is about 90% of consumers, when searching for a solution in Google or in YouTube, are actually searching for the person or company that can give them that solution. So if you show up online educating always well in advance of a sales conversation, you're going to be seen as that leader, as the person that can have impact, as the authority in your industry, and people will start seeking you out. It's that simple. Now, the second strategy works in conjunction with the first strategy. If you're always producing this content that's educating, let's try to get it in front of as many people as possible. And the fastest way to do that is with consistency. It's showing up on a regular basis on the social channels without fail, producing this incredible content, this educational content. I'm talking about showing up every single day. Now hang on, that might start to feel overwhelming thinking that you have to show up every day. But what if I told you you only had to show up once and you only have to produce one piece of content? Would that feel less overwhelming? Do you think you could do that? Do you think you could do it consistently for a month or 2 months or even a quarter? Heck, we're about to start a brand new quarter very soon. What if you committed to showing up every day for the next quarter? I have a feeling that you would make a lot of impact in doing that, and that impact would translate into a lot more clients. And by the way, if you do want to learn the strategies that you can start implementing right away to start attracting clients to you, that's why I have this right here. It's a free workshop. It's proutyclass.com. You just type that into your favorite web browser, whatever that happens to be. I'll even include a link somewhere in the description of this video. If you go to, or in the comments. If you go to proutyclass.com, you will get to attend a free workshop with me where we get to interact and work together. And you can ask me questions, and I'm going to teach you a whole bunch of cool stuff. We have a lot of fun doing it. So what if you committed every day for the next quarter to showing up at least once a day and providing educational content? I have a feeling that you will start to see an abundance of clients working their way towards you. They'll step out of the shadows wanting to work with you. It's what's happened in my business, and it's what wow, that was easy to say. It's what has happened in my business and in the thousands of people that I have mentored. And if you'd like to see what it's like to be mentored by me, well, you just go to proutyclass.com and do that and just show up there. So here's a quick tip for you if you are feeling a little bit overwhelmed by what I'm teaching you right now. It's very simple. When you show up every day, just simplify what you're going to teach. You don't have to teach an entire course in your content. Share one small bit of information every single day. And when you do that, you're going to reveal yourself as the expert that people have been seeking. If you're looking for a strategy or a structure for how to share that information, well, I'm going to cover that here in this free class. And if you kind of like learning from me, if you've seen me on the socials and you like the stuff that you hear, well, you're really going to like this, because it goes much deeper into the things that we talk about in the short span of time that we have here in these live videos that I do. So please go to proutyclass.com and sign up for my free workshop, please, because you're going to get stuff out of it straight away that you can start using right away. So you have your plan. You're going to show up every single day. You're going to provide educational content. You're going to make it all about them. And you're going to watch how your business completely opens up when you do that. That is the simple two-step strategy that no one thought was going to work, that it turns out works better than anything I've ever seen before. And while everything that I've just taught you is important, it's not everything that you need, which is why I'm going to put a link for a video right here that you can go watch that's going to teach you how to attract even more clients to your business. And of course, if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts when I create new videos about growing your business.